Brittany, she's very tanned.
I did a tan today and I smell.
She got a spray tan if I don't look white normally. Now I look ridiculously white.
Okay, so we think it's really cool because
I know being here before. I'm so excited. Daisy's going in for her first time. She's so excited.
Okay, so we'll show you what happens when Daisy gets here. Bye.
Yeah, look. She's getting squashed. Daisy. No bubbles have gone on her yet. Bubbles are coming, the bubbles are coming. Move, man, move. There they come. Oh, Daisy. She's gonna love me. And now we're gonna go watch her get rubbed. How exciting. Where's the bin at? Daisy, where is she? Do they drive her?
Pardon?
I don't think I have enough fuel for them to drive her that far. Uni students on a budget.
That would be so funny.
She just runs out of fuel halfway through the car.
She'd be like, what did you do to my car? It was like a full tank.
It was full. What are you doing? And that's a really good idea, actually.
See?
Up there for thinking.
There's a dead frog skeleton in Brittany's store and we've been shotgunning not cleaning it up for a really long time.
Like
So
having a month. It's like just a skeleton
No,
now.
it was there in Mackay, so like
Go for a month. Wait a month.
it's been longer than a month
Maybe
since
2 months.
2 months, maybe 3. Dude, there are so many people in your car right now.
She's gonna freak out.
She feels violated.
Yeah. If I ever like had other people like jumping on me.
Seriously, I've never ever seen your car look like that.
Never, ever have I seen her. In the middle of the street. They're gonna hurt her. I'm scared. I'm like,
Stop freaking out. We YouTube vlog. We like videotape our lives and put it on YouTube. So
He's like, what?
he's like, really?
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. Get over it. Subscribe to us.
Let's put some perfume on her.
Okay.
Just look at Biffy and stuff. For CC. Okay, so my car has a crash on Kathy's car.
My car's not interested.
What? You say Jade's not good enough for your car?
Well,
You bitch! I'm not. Don't even get in my car then. You can walk home, bitch. You can walk home.
whatever. I'll be sitting out.
Walk home. CC doesn't even like get to choose who she would date.
She does.
No, she doesn't. She's a car.
Daisy's just a car.
No, she's not. She has attitude.
So does Cece.
We're having a fight about how much attitude our cars have.
Mine has more attitude.
We're pretty sure Jason's more amazing.
You're wrong.
Yes.
Mine
yes,
has air
yes.
conditioning. Makes a
Don't even
difference.
make me
That's
do the
that's
yes
pretty
bit.
much where mine becomes superior. By herself with everything open, she's totally exposed and vulnerable. Keys are in it. Oi! When you think about it, someone could just be standing where I am and then just go and steal the car. Look, the keys are in the ignition. Everything's open. Seriously, like randoms could just go, oh, you just broke your headband.
Sad face.
Okay, hold on. We'll make it work, wait.
Yeah,
Ready?
I did it. I did it.
Got it?
It's tied in.
Cool.
The pros have long hair.
It's emergency, everybody move!
It's too soft.
Brittany, here, hold this. Hold it.
It's too soft. What are you doing? Hair fix at the car shop.
Now our buzzer will go off and watch.
Yeah, yeah. Now that we're busy, the buzzer will go on. That's how it always works. Ow!
Hey, so we've got Daisy back.
She got her hair did.
She got her hair did. Oh, wow.
She
Honey.
smells clean. She smells like vacuum.
She
You know
smells...
it smells-
Dude, there's no dead frog anymore.
Yay!
Yes!
That saved me some funding. She's a bit dusty still.
Oh, yeah, no, we didn't pay to get that part done.
What do we get done? Vacuum.
Vacuum and outside done. Dude,
Oh.
let's go. I'm like boiling hot. Okay, see you tomorrow, guys. Love, love, love. Bye.
Love, love, love.